for the community, like how the road of asphalt now. It's been a while now, CEDAR Valley to get some asphalt.
Yeah, keep no road because would have get a lot of visitor.
Yes.
Because they like it up this way.
True.
But through the road, you hear them say, boy, would have come but the road.
Yeah.
But me still like on the out to make a good move now.
Yes.
Right.
So you
from creases to corners, so me appreciate that.
That's good.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yo, I know see a Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging channel.
Viewers and subscribers at CEDAR Valley, you know. Doing what? Asphalting in CEDAR Valley. So this is a two-part series video. Okay, so listen one out. As soon as you're done watch this one, the link will go in the description to watch part 2. You get what I say? And part 2 we are going to see the finishing of the beauty of the place of everything. Okay, so part 1 now is the get together part or everything start. Cause you know we have Mr. Details, man. You know, you get what I say, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, we like going to details, make you see. So the amount of details what we have to go through in this video. Yeah, it's too long, so we have to cut it in two and give a 2 part. Okay, so hope you all enjoy the both part 1 and part 2. So as I say, as soon as you're done, just go in the description. Part 2 is there. Okay, viewers. Manners, anyway, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing great. You know. Hope you all doing well. So when you know what they're doing, so just do the do no. Like, comment and share, and if you are new, I would love to subscribe to my channel. When you do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell, put it on all, so that when we drop a video, you're the first one to be notified as I place on the video. So our viewers, watch them out for me now, please and thanks. As you see, we are in CEDAR Valley, Center Mass to be exact. And as your viewers, for the first piece of asphalting I will lay down in a CEDAR Valley. Viewers and subscribers, CEDAR Valley citizens have been waiting for this for almost decades now. You get what I say, viewers? So just continue to watch the video and you will see everything. Cause you know we are going into details, because you know it's our style already. So if you don't love when we go into detail, viewers, comment down in the comment section and tell me. Because I really like you like it, but if you don't like it, then you know me and say, viewers, so just comment and tell me if you don't like it when we go down in the details. If you don't see more behind of what's just showing up video now, man. Anyway, as I can see, the gentleman them line up the machine. Yes, get everything organized, because you know that are the basic thing. That get everything organized, clean up the machine, make sure everything's set and all them something there. Because I'm about to kick off the asphalting in CEDAR Valley, Center Mass. So just continue to watch the video, and remember, as I said, it's a 2-part series video. So link in the description for part 2. Okay, bless up, truck line up, everybody there, everything I go on. Just continue to watch the video, man. Bless up. And you don't know enough viewers who respond to this team, you know. Whitehead himself, so I want to big up Whitehead and the whole team, you know, Father Winston, Shabba, Pinchers, the whole works, big up on yourself, you know. I may tell you this team here, perform some work with you, Mr. Viewers. Mr. Continue watch your video, you know, viewers, because remember you have part 1 and part 2, and there's a lot more for you to see. I see the Valley this, you know, dying for the asphalting for how many decades now, you know. So you know you can't just put this video in out 1, you have to put it in a 2. So watch 1 and 2 and you see the full understanding of everything what go on, you know, viewers and subscribers. So as me say, big up the Asphalt team, Whitehead and the whole team, big up Father Winston, Shabba, Pinchers, everybody big up on yourself, every man on the ground, big up on yourself, man. Yeah, man, for performing a wonderful work in CEDAR Valley, Center Mass. CEDAR Valley is up and running. CEDAR Valley depend again. I would say drop off. And I'm not wrong. CEDAR Valley with the viewers. Continue to watch the video. Much more for you to see. So viewers and subscribers, as I can look, as I can see, that is 2.5 inch thick. Yes, viewers, two and a half inch thick. Well done, man. You don't need not less than that, viewers. No, you don't need not less than that. You don't need something you put on this week and by next week it burn out. Or water take off piece. None at all. Yes, viewers, like when you see them something as soon as have a full understanding what's going on. When you see road a asphalt, road a pave, you have a full understanding, viewers. That's why I'm going at details. Okay? Bless up. Viewers, you don't think you don't see nothing yet. Just continue watch the video, man. You don't go see, man. You can see CEDAR Valley sitting them glad, see them turn out and look. Some of them can't believe them eyes, see them really witness to CEDAR Valley road of asphalt. Honestly, some of them don't want to talk on camera, but I talk to some of them and I tell them can't believe it, viewers, so them really see this. So just continue watch the video. Bless up to each and everyone that support this channel over this year, you know. Manners and respect, just do they do. So viewers, take a look now on the work now. What Whitehead and him team up, who don't want to not think about it. Take a look on it now, viewers. I want to still not say nothing yet. Remember, part 2 is there. But take a look and tell me, look on the thickness of this asphalt lying down in CEDAR Valley, St. Thomas. Come on, viewers. Talk to me in the comment section. So viewers and subscribers, family, so as I can see is one side, you know, another part 1 done. One side you see them carrying another part 1. So I'm saying part 2 you will see the both side and everything. So remember to check out part 2 as soon as you finish with part 1. Okay, viewers and subscribers, Cedar Valley. It's too big for put it in one. Honestly, viewers. So yeah, in order to get the full understanding, you have to watch part 2 and you see everything. Okay? Bless up to each and every one. Manners. As me say, viewers and subscribers, the citizen of Cedar Valley, yeah man, me I tell us, enough of them can't believe it, can't really believe, so they really witnesses the Cedar Valley road being fixed, asphalt, pave, everything. As me said, enough of them don't want to talk on camera still, you know, but my reason with enough of them, I tell you, almost tears coming at them eye, man, them can't believe it. All I'm bridging boy, I mean, even remember him name stand up there, I see my look out of space. I say, General, you like how you see I go and the man say, boy, yo, I tell you, if you hear the man talk, you see man, boy, I tell you, I'm glad myself to for real. Yeah, man, I feel joy for Cedar Valley people. I tell you, because Cedar Valley Road is in our condition for over so long. When you think of going to Cedar Valley, I tell yourself, say no, or when you are going to reach her, you never go. No matter what up there, you never want to go up there. Well, this is Cedar Valley back on the rise again, St. Thomas. This is Cedar Valley back on the rise again. Cedar Valley Road have been asphalted. Okay, viewers and subscribers, so now that we come to the end of another video, to show you what I've been digging in Cedar Valley, St. Thomas. I remember part 2 is there, so as soon as I finish watch part 1, the link in the description for part 2, viewers. So now that we come to the end of another video for showing you what have been taking place in Cedar Valley, St. Thomas, in the work in progress with the redevelopment of St. Thomas continue, viewers. And I want to say thank you for your support, viewers and subscribers. Thank you for doing the do. I can see. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. And if you're new and watch my video, thank you very much for watching my video. If you give me a like, thank you very much for giving me a like, man. If you leave a comment, bless up also. You understand? So we saw see you people in the next video, you know. Safe travel upon the gravel, you know. Remember part 2 in the description. I'm out. Bless you.